In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix error RG45 at chess.com. This specific error can be incredibly frustrating because it often appears out of nowhere and prevents you from playing the game you love. If you have been seeing this message on your screen, it effectively means you are locked out of the matchmaking process or the site entirely. In this comprehensive guide, I will walk you through the official steps to resolve this, explain why it happens, and show you how to get back into your matches as quickly as possible. If this video helps you get back on the board, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more chess troubleshooting and tips. To understand how to fix it, we first need to know what we are dealing with. Error code RG45 on chess.com typically indicates that your account or your specific IP address has been flagged or blocked. This is usually triggered by the site's automated security systems due to past fair play violations, use of unauthorized software, or general site abuse. However, sometimes these flags happen in error or there is a misunderstanding regarding your connection. Let's jump into the solution. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official chess.com support page. You can find this by going to support.chess.com. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Contact Us. This is the primary way to initiate a review of your account status. When the support chat or search box appears, go ahead and type in RG45. The system will likely suggest several articles regarding fair play and account restrictions. I highly recommend you take a moment to review the fair play rules linked there. Understanding these rules is vital because it helps you ensure that no background software or browser extensions are accidentally triggering the system's anti-cheat or security protocols. Now, if you have checked the rules and believe the block is a mistake, or if you simply cannot bypass the error, you need to click on the option that says Get More Help. This will bypass the automated articles and put you in the queue for direct support. You will be prompted to provide details about your issue. In the text field, briefly and clearly describe that you are seeing error RG45. Mention when it started and any steps you have already taken, such as clearing your cache or checking your connection. Once you have typed your message, click Submit. The chess.com support team is generally very responsive, but because they have to manually review account flags, it might take a little bit of time for a human agent to get back to you and lift the restriction. Another tip while you wait is to check your profile settings. For instance, navigate to your home dashboard and click on your username or a specific profile link like ChessNow055. Sometimes looking through your recent games or account notifications will give you more clues as to why the system flagged you in the first place. Ensure your internet connection is stable and you aren't using a VPN that might be associated with previously banned users, as this is a common cause for the RG45 error. It is also a good idea to clear your browser cookies before trying to log back in after your submission. This ensures that no old session data is causing the error to persist on your end. By following these steps and reaching out to the support team directly, you are taking the most effective path to getting your account restored. Remember, the support team is there to help, so stay polite in your communication. And that is it. You have now initiated the process to fix error RG45 at chess.com and get back to your games. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Best of luck with your next match, and I will see you in the next video.